but looks built-in. Why aren't shower shelves installed like this more often in the US? First, he marks the shelf shape directly onto the tile so the fit is exact. Then he carefully follows that line with a utility knife, slicing through the old grout without damaging the tile. After that, every bit of grout is scraped out from the joint and the corner is cleaned thoroughly, because silicone only bonds well when the surface is solid and dust-free. Next, he applies a heavy line of pure silicone deep into the gap. The metal shelf is pushed firmly into the corner, then extra silicone is added along both the upper and lower edges. Here comes the clever part, the soap method. He sprays fresh silicone with soapy water, then pulls a popsicle stick across the bead in one steady motion. The extra silicone lifts away cleanly like a strip. The soap prevents sticking, so the tile stays clean and the finish looks perfectly sharp. He repeats the same process underneath, wipes off the area, and leaves it to cure. In the end, it's strong enough to support all your shower products.